Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Workday employee Erickson Living account. So let's get started. So to log into your Workday employee Erickson Living account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser, and after opening up your browser in search bar you can search for Workday employee login Erickson Living. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which says login. And after tapping on login, you'll come up to your Erickson Living's login page, and from here what you can do is just simply enter your username and password. So in First Bank you have to enter your Erickson Living's username. So after entering your username, now you have to enter your account's password. And after entering your password, you can just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just simply tap on reset your password. And after tapping on reset your password, you can reset or recover your account's password by creating a new one. And after creating a new password for your account, what you can do is just simply come back to this login page and then enter the password that you have created. And after entering the new password that you have created, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you can easily log into your account. So that's it guys. This is how to log into your Workday employee Erickson Living account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.